Hello, and welcome to the Fine Power Tools training facility. We're going to take a few minutes today and talk about the STARLOCK mounting system. The STARLOCK mounting system is a true quick change mounting system. The 3D form that's on the accessories matches the 3D form on the tools. To attach the accessories, you simply line the accessory up at the angle that you would prefer and press it into the tool head. The spring-loaded jaws expand, gripping the accessory and maintaining a positive connection between the tool and the accessory. To remove any accessory, you simply lift the lever and the spring-loaded jaws reset, releasing the accessory. I'll show that one more time. Simply press the accessory into the tool head and the spring-loaded jaws hold it in place. Lift the lever, the jaws reset, and the accessory falls away. Accessories can also be inserted into the mounting fixture simply by laying them on a flat surface and pressing the tool down over top of the accessory. And then the accessory will be firmly held in place. This makes it easy to switch between applications when going from cutting to sanding to grout removal and other applications.